Hello everyone, kryodawg here, doing a video of a couple of items I've got today from Amazon. This is a DVI to VGA adapter. I think this cost about $5 on Amazon, startech.com. And this is an IOGear 2-port USB cable KVM switch. This device is used to connect two computers to one monitor, one keyboard, one mouse, one set of speakers, and you can also connect this to one microphone. And this one has this thing here, which is a little tap button. You can switch between computers. I had one a while back, and you had to press the key on the keyboard. I think it was like F8 or something to switch back and forth between computers. But this one here cost about $30, I believe. And as you can see, you just connect the device through the cables that are in the box, which I'm going to show soon, to a monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and then you connect the other to the computer, whether it be a laptop, a desktop. I think this one will even work with a Mac. This one I'm using with a Windows computer as a desktop computer and my laptop. So I get to use both computers with this device. And this one's USB. The previous version I had was PS2 keyboard and mouse, so it's advanced a little bit. And so let's get to opening this box. Well, let's read some features first. How about that? Features: max resolution, supports 2048 by 1536. Not sure what DDC2B stands for. Compact design, features two attached 3-foot molded in KVM USB and VGA cables. It's getting blurry. 2.1 stereo sound and microphone, computer selection via remote switch button. Plug and play, no software required. Awesome. Full Mac keyboard support. Cool. Supports programmable mice. Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay, so how does it work? Connect your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and set of powered speakers and microphone to the KVM. Connect the USB KVM cables to each computer. Press the remote switch button to switch between computers. Okay, enough of that. Let's see what we've got here. If I can do this with one hand, should be able to. Okay, how do you do it on? Okay, so we've got the KVM and the cables wrapped up there. Looks like some reading material, maybe a registration card, nothing else in the box. Let's unfold it. There's tape. Easy enough. Okay. So here are the cables. As you can see, we've got USB cables, speaker. I can't get the thing off. Anyway, it's a speaker cable. Let's see if I can pull it off my finger. There it goes. You just plug in for your speakers or your microphone, whichever that one may be. And then we've got the VGA connector. So this here is where it all connects to, and it's a little awkwardly taped. Let me undo this. Okay, so after playing with the paper, I finally got it off. Okay, so this is where your monitor, your keyboard, and your mouse is going to connect to through the VGA cable. This would be where your speakers and microphone connect. And I think that is it. I think I'm missing something here. Oh, there it is. This is a little switch button. You just press it and it switches between computers. pretty cool little device. Comes in handy when you've got multiple computers. This one is only a 2-port. You can buy others that are multi-port. I believe I've seen some up to 16 ports, so you could connect 16 computers. Probably more used in a server environment. So, but this one's only, personal use, home use. So it's not very complicated. But I will hook it up here shortly, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to take my computer apart. Hopefully, maybe. Alright, let me take the screws off. There's one, and the other one's in there crooked, so we'll see how easy it comes out. Okay, I want to pop the case off the side. Okay, as you can see, there's a slot where my video card used to be, but I took it out the other day for some reason I can't remember now. So let me put the video card back in, and then we'll continue on with the installation of the USB KVM. Okay, I'm back, and now I have the video card back in. Let's hope it works, because that came off in the process. I don't know what it goes to. I think it's a piece of the PCI slot, so we'll see. Maybe it still works. Okay, let me put the cover back on, and then we will proceed. Okay, I have the cover back on, have all my components here with me. Let me connect the DVI adapter to the computer here. Alright, let's screw that on. Okay, now we can connect the KVM. Alright, let's do some unwrapping. I can figure out which way it goes. Little twisty ties are confusing. Okay, there's one. Let's see, it just kind of unrolls. Let me pull the tool. Okay, hold on. Let me untangle it. Okay, now it is untangled. This is the cords here. USB, keyboard, mouse, speaker, microphone. You notice this little cable here has a long cord. That's because the rest of it sits on the floor and this sits on the desk for easy access. Okay. Let's see if these have identifiers for keyboard or mouse. Okay, that does. That's the keyboard. So I don't guess it matters where it plugs since it's USB. There's that. Let's do the mouse. Let's do the VGA or video if that's not working. Oh, I get it upside down. Ah, there we go. Screw that in. I'm not going to worry about the speakers at the moment. I'll mess with that later, but don't really have any plugged up anyway. Okay, so now here's the remaining steps. Let's pull that out of the way. I'm going to scoot this. Well, I've been running around back behind this, because the other side is going to have to connect over there. Let's just put it on in through here. There we go. I don't know what that is. How it goes something else. Okay. Okay. And this will just sit up here on the desk like so. So the video is just jumping all over the place. Okay. So we have that now. We got the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse. Let's start hooking stuff up to the KVM. So we'll just drop that down. That's not needed. That's a power cord to the laptop. Okay. This video cable looks like it's stuck. And it's because it is. Okay. Okay, so now we have the box. We have the other KVM. Just trying to run it that way. We have some lights showing that it's on and which one it's connected to. So let's go ahead. You know what? Let's redo this. Okay, I'm going to plug it up and then I will be right back. Okay, so now we have the keyboard, the mouse, and now we just need the video, which let me grab it. It will go right here. Maybe. Okay, so I have the laptop and the desktop connected to the KVM, and we shall just see how it works. Here's my little switcher thing. So right now it's on the laptop. Let's switch it to the desktop. It's on the desktop. Now let's switch it to the laptop. Okay. Well, you see what it does. So that's pretty much it. It's just a cool little device, easy way to use two computers with, again, one monitor, one keyboard, and one mouse. And speakers. And microphone. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching.